Hi, this is Susan Knight. It's time once again for 52 New. So every week for a year, I'm learning a new skill, something that maybe at some point you might need in your life. I'm a firm believer that you should know how to drive everything. You need to know how to drive a car, you need to know how to drive a truck, you need to know how to drive standard, you need to know how to drive automatic, you need to know how to shift with your feet, drive a motorcycle. I think all these skills can pay off. You never know when suddenly you need to get away from bank robbers or something. I don't know. Anywho, so that's why I'm here today. Yes, that sign says training. See? Taylor Pro Training. Heavy equipment training. Heavy equipment training. No, I'm not the heavy equipment, but I'm working on that. So they have big machines here, like big things, like excavators and things with tires that are bigger than me, and I'm going to learn how to drive one of them. That's all I got right now. As we get more information as the afternoon goes on, I'll share it with you. Keep your fingers crossed. Susan Knight. I think I can learn how to drive an excavator. Oh, I see. Then these two up here.
Yeah. Oh, this one over top that one.
I could be in trouble. Susan Knight, 52 New, learns how to put on a vest.
On slopes and swampy material as a backhoe, it's rubber tire gets sink and gets stuck.
Now, what's that beside it?
That is so you can fill that box with a round hole.
Right. So we established that the tires are bigger than 5 feet. Well, the back tires even bigger?
Yep.
This is crazy. Okay, now.
Rip.
No. You could go. Okay. Do I go in here?
Yep. Make yourself comfortable with the seat. Okay, so you're gonna have to have the you'll have to reach those pedals.
Steve, I love you a lot. I'm really sorry that I'm doing this and not you, because yeah, you would have loved it.